Yo, what is going on, guys? This is Chris with the Full Send Traders. Today we're on the rooftop. It's a beautiful view, but I did want to cover some psychology tips. The trade that I took yesterday, that was an absolute banger. Took it with over 200 people on my live stream. How actually live streaming has made me a better trader and what accountability you need. If you guys haven't joined yet, I'm gonna have my Telegram linked down in the description below. This is gonna allow you to see all of my trades. I'm sending some signals that I'm not taking on live, but I am taking on my own. You guys will absolutely enjoy those bangers. And I'm also tracking all of my performance so you guys could see my funded accounts, payouts. Everything that you need from me is going to be on there. Remember, it's linked down in the description below. But let's get straight into the video. One of the main things that has helped me as a trader is having some level of accountability. Now, where do I find this accountability? This is by trading live in front of hundreds of people. And what this allows me to do is I'm not taking stupid, unreasonable trades. You guys are seeing every single trade I take, and that's allowing me to be disciplined, take only high probability setups, because at the end of the day, I don't want people losing their money. I only want people winning, and those high probability setups is gonna give us overall profitability. And you may not relate when it comes to live streaming in front of people, but what you do have is yourself. You are trading in front of yourself. Are you embarrassed by your trades? Are you disappointed in your trades? Are you feeling like you're taking unreasonable trades? Now, how are you gonna keep yourself accountable? Well, you have to have a pre-market plan. This pre-market plan is going to lay out your objectives for the day, what you're gonna risk, and what you could expect from the day. Now, if you don't follow this plan, then you're not keeping yourself accountable. You have to look back, see if you followed your plan. Once you start following your plan, building that discipline, that's when you're gonna find success. This success is gonna manifest in a positive P&L curve. And that P&L curve can be across one account, two accounts. Once you scale, it's gonna be 5, 10 accounts. And if you can't stay consistent with just one account, then how are you gonna be consistent with over 10 accounts? I know every single person that's watching this wants to scale up. They want the lifestyle, they wanna take care of their family. And if you want to get out of that 9 to 5, it's gonna take more than one account. Now, something that you could pair with this pre-market plan, with this journaling, is having proper risk management. Now, this is gonna allow you to survive. I know we've had a super hard March, but I'm right here ready to get a payout. I'm up 4K on my 150K, and I've taken every single trade on live. And to tell you the truth, it was very difficult. But the thing that helped me the most was having proper risk management, making sure my losses didn't exceed my wins, making sure my wins were extremely big when they happened, so that I could take numerous losses if I had to, but my P&L curve stayed positive because I was consistent, I was disciplined. I followed the plan every single day. Now, what I have for you guys right now is a little trade breakdown. A trade that I took yesterday. We did not trade today because it was pretty poor news. We had the recent Iran ceasefire deal, and it made everything skyrocket like 700 points. We were up 2% on NASDAQ. I told everyone we're not gonna have good conditions, so I didn't trade full size. I didn't trade at all, but let's go and look at this trade. All right, guys, this is the gold trade we took, and actually this stop loss was way tighter. We took about a 1 to 5 RR trade. It was an absolute banger. Now, what was I looking for? We had a 5-minute fair value gap. Price had swept out some highs. We had the inversion, and we had some lows down here. Now, I'm gonna zoom out right here, and you guys are gonna see how many lows that we had. We had an Asia low, we had some previous daily lows, and we absolutely killed it on this trade. Now, these are the same trades that I take live every single day. If you guys are in the Telegram, I'm also going to be posting all my biases, so you guys have that pre-market plan. You know where price is going, and you know what to expect. If you guys want to find success, this is what it is. You guys can't be so focused on the charts. You have to have a life outside of the charts. This means hanging out with friends. I'm with my wonderful girlfriend right here. She's so pretty, but we're enjoying ourselves. I didn't even think about trading today. I didn't think about the charts. I knew it was going to be choppy. What's the point in trading choppy conditions? It's just going to set you back. So come ready to the charts when it's ready to trade. You have to have that discipline to only execute in the proper conditions. That's what's going to help you. That's what's going to make you profitable. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I will be posting more of these, but I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.